Okay, so I'm Alex Parrotto. I'm going into 11th grade, and this is Ragdoll Simulator.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay, so anyway, simple movement. WASD to move. Anyways, so the point of this game is it's a platform with a lot of bounce platforms. So you don't actually jump that much. I mean, I am here, and then you control a ragdoll with literally no animation, which is supposed to just be really funny.
So how does that work? What are you doing to control it? What are you pushing around? I'm
actually just pushing around the hips, and the rest of the body follows. So that also happens sometimes, randomly. I'm not really sure about that. I want this game to be a little buggy just for fun, but not that buggy. So yeah, anyway, so if we go over here, we can jump across these platforms. You can move pretty fast in the air, and actually on the ground too. So you can, so anyway.
Okay, cool. And then, oh, look at that. We have a little bit of wall jumping.
Yeah, the jumping isn't perfectly done, so like you can like cheat it and jump off of ceilings and stuff, but like at least it works for wall jumping. So this is like the final jump I've got going here, and then you can just do that, and then you land on this.
Fine.
And then you keep going. There's nothing really to land on right now, but I thought it would be a fun way to end it off.
Cool, yeah. But you
Anyway.
do restart. That's great.
And that's the respawn system. So you follow the red stuff, which is supposed to be like lava. You restart at the beginning.
Perfect. So that must have been kind of tricky. What are like some of the challenges when you were making this game?
So to get the respawn system to work, we had to completely change the code because the the guy used to just be like spawned at the beginning, and like to respawn we would teleport him, but to teleport a ragdoll means you teleport part of it, and then he would completely glitch out, and it wouldn't really work. So we had to completely change it. So the game will sort of like every time this happens, the game destroys this guy and spawns in a new one, which required a lot of code changes, even though it doesn't sound like it would. And that was kind of a nightmare, but it works now, so that's good.
So like what kind of thing with the, like what else would have to change? Like for instance, maybe your camera? Your camera has a script on it that does what?
Yeah, we had to change the camera because the camera was used to just following one person, but since they couldn't always find that person, we had to make a script that would search out that person,
right?
Which was pretty hard. We also had to make the jumping do the same, the jump mechanic, so you could jump so it made sure you couldn't just air jump like this.
Right, just spam it. Yep.
We also had to change that. So that was really hard, but it works now pretty much.
All right, man.
Good.
Well, Ragdoll Simulator looks like a lot of fun. We'll have to check it out. Did you have a good week?
Yeah, it was great.
Awesome. Appreciate it. All right, man. Thanks for the interview.
You got it.
That's it for this time. This has been Mike Dixon with BSD Code Design Academy. Be sure to check back here for more tutorials. And don't forget to check out bsdacademy.com to learn more. See you soon.